You've been studying English for months, maybe even years. You watch English videos, scroll through English posts, and tell yourself you're learning. But when it's time to actually speak or write, the words don't come. Sound familiar? You're not alone. And here's why it's happening. The problem is simple. You're consuming, not creating. Watching English videos feels productive because you understand most of it. Your brain tricks you into thinking you're improving, but understanding and using a language are two completely different skills. It's like watching cooking shows and expecting to become a chef without ever stepping into a kitchen. Think about how children learn their first language. They don't start by watching tutorials. They jump in, make mistakes, say going instead of went, and get corrected naturally through practice. But as adult learners, we're terrified of making mistakes, so we hide behind passive learning, convincing ourselves we're not ready yet. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You'll never feel ready. There will always be another grammar rule to master, another 1,000 words to memorize. Waiting for the perfect moment is just fear disguised as preparation. So how do you fix it? Start producing, even if it's messy. Write 3 sentences about your day in English every morning. Talk to yourself while cooking dinner. Record voice messages on your phone. Join online language exchange communities where you can chat with others who are also learning. Make mistakes your goal, not your fear. Set a target to make 10 mistakes today in English. This shift in mindset is powerful because it removes the pressure of perfection and puts the focus where it belongs, on practice. Find an accountability partner, someone learning English or a native speaker willing to help. Share your daily practice with them. When you know someone is expecting your 3 sentences or your voice note, you're far more likely to follow through. Stop studying English and start using it. The difference between these two approaches is the difference between knowing about swimming and actually swimming. You can read every book about water safety, watch Olympic swimmers and memorize techniques, but you won't learn to swim until you get in the water. Your English isn't improving because you're treating it like a subject to study rather than a skill to practice. The fix is uncomfortable but simple. Speak more, write more, make more mistakes. Progress lives on the other side of your comfort zone.